What's good, YouTube? It's your girl Goddie Beauty, and I'm back with another video. As you can see, my makeup's already done and I'm done for the day. Today, we're gonna be taking off all of this. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys my 8-step skincare everyday, all day routine. I do this routine in the morning, I do this routine at night, and I do this routine in the middle of the day when it's too hot or if I'm feeling dirty or oily on my skin. Okay, I use this routine whenever I'm taking off my makeup. I use this routine every single day. So you guys, if you want to figure out how to get rid of those pesky pimples for the next day, if you want to figure out how to get rid of your blemishes over time, this is the 8-step skincare routine that you need, okay? So stay tuned. We're going to be taking off all of this, okay? All this bad, all this bougie, and we're going to turn it into natural and vibrant. Thanks. See you guys in the video. Ooh. Hi guys, thanks for tuning in to the video. I hope you guys are excited as much as I am. It's not a necessary thing that you need, but I'd say always get a good oil to take it all off, you know what I mean? I like using baby oil or coconut oil. In this case, I got baby oil. We're gonna go ahead and take a makeup cleansing wipe and just clean it on up, okay guys? I'm gonna go all over that. And this is gonna start really getting in there. It's super soft. These are really soft. I actually got this from the grocery store. It was just sitting there in the skincare section. I think, why not? It doesn't matter if it comes off easy or gross, whatever. It's supposed to come off. That's the only point to this, okay guys? So we're just gonna take this and just keep on cleaning up our beautiful makeup off that we worked so hard on. I'll see you guys back in a minute. All right, guys, I'm back with the next step. And as you can see, our little friend here got a little bit dirty. I have to use it inside and out. It's my first time using it, but you know what? The best part is you can rewash it and you know, keep using it over and over again. It got real dirty, but I've got 3 more in a 4-pack package. So next step to this 8-step skincare Goddie routine. Luxurious micellar liquid. I think it says micellar. So what I usually do with this one, this is usually my just next step to take off every single piece of makeup. I usually like to go with a nice 2-sheeter of Bounty, spread a little of that up on there, and it just gets the oils and the rest of the makeup off. It's a makeup remover as well. Be careful getting it around your eyes and around them because it does tend to kind of irritate the eyes a bit, but you'll be all right. Okay, girl, like, look at that. We just used that little rag to take off all that with the oil, still stuff on there. I like to make sure in my routine I'm getting everything off. Probably get some makeup towels next time. Maybe I can use that for this so I can be more eco-friendly. It got up in there and got the job done. Okay. The next step, which is going to be to clean with our oil-free acne wash from Neutrogena. It's grapefruit. Make sure you get all over here. You don't want your forehead breaking out like me in the middle of the night, okay? It will break out if you do not clean all up here by your wig. Because girl, it don't matter about the lace. Don't mess up your face. Hey guys, I'm back. Now that that face is all dried up, we can go ahead and add on to our 3rd step in this routine. Or was it the 3rd step? We can add this now as our 4th step in our routine. This is gonna be a, what is this? Clearing Sweet Tea plus Lemon Peel Off Clay Mask. Instantly removes impurities and tones for radiant skin. I got this from Albertsons grocery store. So if you got a grocery store by you, Rayleigh's, Bel Air, Albertsons, Ralph's, places like that, they definitely gonna have these. So definitely CVS and Walgreens probably. So, you know, you pretty much get this anywhere. Doesn't matter where you live, where you're from. So we're just gonna go ahead and add this on. This is going to be a clay peel off mask. I never use these. I usually just do the Aztec clay mask, but I want to try something new that I can just like rip the nasty out of my skin. I want to make sure my skin is being repaired and healed while I'm asleep. I'm tired of waking up with another horn. I'm sick of it. All right, guys, I'm all done with that step. I'm just gonna let this sit and dry, and then I'll be right back with the rest of this video very shortly. Let me ask you guys a question though. Have you guys ever believed in like magic, like numbers, like lucky numbers, things like that? Because I've been seeing 111 all the time and 1118 all the time. Every time I look at the clock, that's what time it is. I promise you. Like 111, 1111. 1118, 118, like literally all the time, and it's telling me it's nothing but success and all this good stuff, and I'm like, yeah, but when are we gonna get there? If you guys don't subscribe, like, share, and comment on my videos, what am I supposed to do about those numbers? So I'm just saying, if you believe in me or if you believe in those numbers, go ahead and subscribe right now. We ain't do nothing but waiting 10 to 15 minutes for this to dry so I can peel it off. Right. So you might as well go ahead, drop right down there. Go ahead and subscribe, share it. Go ahead, share it, okay? Even if you're talking mess about me, share it. Somebody gonna like it. I promise you somebody gonna like it. You're gonna make somebody's day if you share it. So go ahead and share that. And then like it. Leave a nice little emoji, nice little supportive comment, you know, words of encouragement, something, you know, for you, girl. So I can keep being consistent, even though I'm gonna keep being consistent because I don't care who don't like it. I love it and I know I'm good at it. And I think I'm better at skin than I am at makeup, just to say. So you might want to listen at least to this video. Subscribe, baby. Subscribe. Y'all, look at this. I don't even know how this one works. I don't know if it's dried all the way or not. I don't do these peel off ones. I like to wash them off. Oh snap, it works. Ah! 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 Okay. Ah! As you can tell, my face is hairy. This is not good. I don't like that. Ah! Yo, I have a beard apparently. Oh my goodness. This is not even done! I mean, these people really be extra when they be doing those videos. I'm going to the other side. I'm not putting myself through that kind of torture. Okay, this one's coming off fine. Apparently, the beard isn't over here. Okay, I guess every time I scream, y'all know where the hair is at on my face. But I guess I should look like a new woman once it's done. You guys, I don't like it. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm going off camera. I'm not going to be sitting here screaming the whole video. This is ridiculous. Like, seriously? I gotta go! That's red now. I better look good after this. I gotta go, y'all. I'll be back. You guys, I just went through the craziest facial peel ever. That was too much for me. Not my cup of tea. Just too much work for me. That's all it was. I like how I feel afterwards. It's really smooth. I just feel like I'm not gonna have no normal looking edges later. Just gonna clean off this excess with this next step here. So step 5, clean your face one more again, girl. Don't get nothing in your skin, girl. And we're ready for step 6. We're gonna take step 6. We're gonna get step 6. You're not gonna get it, but I tell you this. You're gonna do it if you follow this routine. Damn it. So, step 6. The most weirdest part of the whole routine. Ice. Now my ice has melted quite a bit, but that's okay. I didn't want to be hurting my forehead anyway. Just gonna take, you're gonna take a block of ice and you're just gonna trace it right over your face. So, now I got this from one of my favorite Instagram influencers. Her name is My Name's T. She's so dope. Ooh, Guys, I feel so rejuvenated. I feel so good. Next. Thank you. Next. Thank you. Next. Thank you. Next. I'm so grateful for my facial toner. Facial toner. I like to take a little cotton ball or a big piece of cotton ball, squeeze a lot of that on there, and tone my face. I like to pat. Okay. I don't care if that gets on there. That don't mean nothing to me. Pat that toner in your skin. Get your stuff right, girl. And we're just gonna let that dry out. Okay. You gotta pat it dry, you can as well. You got kids, you got stuff to do, girl. Sometimes we don't have time to wait for nothing to air dry, okay? And we just gotta get up and go and do it. Step 8. It's going to be our oil-free acne moisturizer. Pink grapefruit. I love grapefruit scented things. I love grapefruit, lime, lemons. I love stuff like that. I hate oranges. Ew. I'm just gonna take this. I'm just gonna rub that into the skin. You guys like my little, yeah. Alright guys, that's it for this video. If you guys love my video, please do not hesitate to subscribe, like, share this, comment on it if need be, okay? If you guys have any tips, tricks, ideas, or any, feedback on the things that I'm doing, even if I'm wrong about some of the stuff I've said, please feel free to correct me. Now, please, I can only ask you this one time. Follow me on Instagram. Hey. And if you follow the routine, if you have your own video to the routine, please hashtag me so I can see it at hashtag Goddie Beauty or hashtag Goddie. Okay? And I will be sure to look for your love. Thank you so much, you guys. And have a beautiful, beautiful week, okay? Bye.